Okay, I'm gonna give you $1,000.
I will give you a cute little Among Us.
That's mine. And more, please.
Add more, please, too. I will give you some, let's see, I'll give you video games.
And I give you all of the 1,000 puppets.
Okay.
All the 1,000 puppets.
Since you're giving me good things, I'm going to give you good things too. I have $2.
It's okay.
$2,000, but you can keep it. And I have these like little things that you can stick, and you can like play with them. So I'm going to give you these. And since you like dinosaurs, I'll give you this puzzle.
Yep, I like this.
Me too.
Give me all the sweetnesses. Ooh!
I can't believe I got all this. It's like my life.
It's definitely not your life. Well, anyways, your turn.
Oh, let's see. I will give you this fidget spinner. I don't know if I had it or not, but I'll just give it to you. I will give you 2 donuts. 2 donuts.
Add more, please. I'll give you this.
Add more, please. I will give you this, like a little man that has a football. I can get that.
$2. There.
I'm gonna give you both of my slimes.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Good.
Give me all
That's
the
a good deal.
sweetnesses.
Oopsies. Oopsies. Oh, this one also. There.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well, anyway, where were we? It's round 3.
It's round 3. So I will give you this shoe. I'm just kidding.
It's round 3.
I will give you. I'm just kidding it. You know what? I'm just gonna give you the good things. I'll give you these puppets. I'll give you this Among Us.
That's good.
Are you sure? I was about to give you $100.
Oh, wait, I didn't even give you nothing. I'll give you this pink donut and these 2 slimes. Wait, I forgot the other one. 2 slimes.
Okay.
Good, good.
Good. There you go. And here.
Look at all of these sweetness in the house. Can I keep on spinning?
Okay, let's just start now.
This is the last round.
And final round. So let's do this. I will give you 2 donuts, 2 slimes. I'm gonna give you everything by 2s. I will give you 2 people, even though, well, one's a person and one's a. But whatever. I'll just give you these 2, and I'll give you my last things.
Well, I will give you 2 of these, and I will give you 2 puppets, and I will give you, what else should I get? Well, is that good, by the way?
Yeah,
Well,
sure.
it's good. Good. Oh my gosh, the good is over here.
Yeah, that's what I was doing right now. I was confused.
Good.
Good.
Okay,
so what's mine to give you? Oh,
he. Thank you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm covering your face that they don't see your face.
Oh, and guys, just come back to our channel to see more. Bye.